Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to update organizational units based on departments using xFanatical Foresight. As organizations expand, manually managing users across multiple organizational units becomes increasingly inefficient and error-prone. Assigning employees to the correct OUs based on their departments is essential for streamlining access control, enforcing policies, and simplifying administrative tasks. However, manually relocating hundreds of users to their appropriate OUs can be both time-consuming and prone to errors. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, IT admins can automate this process, ensuring accurate and efficient updates to organizational units based on department changes, saving time and improving administrative efficiency. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, the admin must first extract a list of users from Google Workspace. Once obtained, the list can be uploaded to the automation rule, enabling efficient updates of organizational units based on department. The template is designed with two rules to simplify and streamline the organizational unit update based on departments. Rule 1. This rule exports users to a CSV file containing user details, including email address, first name, last name, and department. Rule 2. This rule utilizes the edited CSV file from Rule 1 and updates the organization unit information for each user based on department. Rule 1. Export users' department information. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Move Users to Organizational Units by Department Information and click on it. In the Bulk Move Users to Organizational Units by Department Information page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Users Department Information will display. Click Next. No configurations required. Click Review. In the review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Bulk Move Users to Organizational Units by Department Information. In the Templates Bulk Move Users to Organizational Units by Department Information page, click Copy Rule 2. Click Next. Click on If Action. In the If screen, rename each branch according to the department name. In the Add Condition field, select Department as the field, choose Text Contains as the operator, and enter the matching department as the value for each branch. In the Add Next Action field, select the Move User to Organizational Unit action for each branch. Click on Move User to Organizational Unit action. In the New Organizational Unit field, select the desired organizational unit mapped to the department. Click Review. Customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk update of organizational units in Google Workspace based on department information. Go to the Rules page. First, click the Play button of Export Users Department Information rule to generate a CSV file containing the latest details of all users. Wait until you receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, download the CSV file from the Rule History section. Edit the CSV file downloaded from the Export Users Department Information rule according to the information that needs to be updated. Go back to the Rules page. Click on the Upload icon and upload downloaded CSV file to the Bulk Move Users to Organizational Units by Department Information rule. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign into your Google Admin Console and verify that the user's organizational unit has been successfully updated by the automation rule. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.